Okay, good morning, everybody. This is a 2000 Jeep Cherokee Laredo. As you can see, the lights flash on and off. It will crank but won't start. And after a while of messing around with different things, we came about having to find out that the ignition is the one with the problem. You put in the key, and now it'll start. If you do not have the anti-theft light on and the key will be red, your problem will be the ignition switch. So what I did, I took it off and cleaned it out. Now I got it to start, but the lights will stay on when I turn off the key. I take off the key and it still flashes on and off. So my next step is changing the ignition switch, and that would solve the problem.